What's this that has people scratching their heads and buzzing all at once? Let's quickly establish the scene before we get into this exciting news, which could revolutionize everything you thought you knew about Tesla's future. Tesla, a brand that has come to represent innovation and upheaval in the automobile industry, is once again in the news because to Elon Musk's bold claims and rising stock values. What if I told you there's more to this story than meets the eye, something that might catapult Tesla's trajectory to a whole new level? Tesla's journey has been nothing short of an extreme trip. This revelation sent shockwaves through the Tesla community in a historic interview with Adam Jonas of Morgan Stanley, a man known for his bullish predictions and steadfast support for Tesla. But what was revealed in this interview that left enthusiasts and shareholders dumbfounded? What novel discoveries might alter the course of affairs for Tesla and its investors? You're going to find out, so buckle up. This is going to be an exciting ride. Keep checking back as we reveal the details from this interview with Morgan Stanley that have the power to drastically alter Tesla's trajectory and global standing. Don't miss a second of this amazing discovery. But first, let me check whether you smash the subscribe and like buttons and don't forget to turn on the notification. Ring greetings, and let's begin an interesting development on Tesla stock news. Tesla has revealed a backdoor that can raise the company's stock price by a factor of 15. Experts in the field and investors alike have taken notice of this fact, leading Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas to make a significant call. The company has upgraded Tesla to an overweight rating and changed the price objective from $1,250 to an astounding $1,400. You may now be wondering if anyone else is as enthusiastic about Tesla as you are. Seeking Alpha, our friends, are right there with you. Your one-stop shop for all things Tesla is Seeking Alpha. Tesla innovation and everything are the goals of the Tesla stock price. Elon Musk, the finest professional, avoid being swayed by the negative coverage of Tesla in the mainstream media. Tesla is a relatively new source on the internet. Click the description link to visit Seeking Alpha, and you'll be surprised by what you find there. For you, they have a unique Black Friday bargain. The best sale ever is this one. Adam Jonas outlines the rationale for his optimistic assessment of Tesla's future possibilities. He emphasizes the Dojo supercomputer that Tesla has created and puts out the possibility that it may add up to $500 billion to the company's enterprise value. The rapid adoption of mobility, including the introduction of network services and robot taxis, which have the potential to completely transform the auto industry as a software-as-a-service provider, would lead to this major value increase. Although Tesla presently has about 400,000 cars with fully autonomous driving capabilities, Jonas also notes that significant cost savings may result from continuous improvements to the Dojo supercomputer and advancements in next-generation chips. Expert assistance is necessary to fully comprehend the issues surrounding this remarkable increase in Tesla and its associated complications. Fortunately, our friends at Seeking Alpha are an excellent resource for learning about these and other challenging matters. For the best deal and a special offer, click the link in the description, particularly as Black Friday draws near. Adam Jonas is renowned for his unshakable optimism about Tesla's future, having given the company continually high ratings and aggressive price predictions. He presents a particularly alluring projection in this report. The fascinating possibility that Tesla's Dojo supercomputer could add an astounding $500 billion to the company's market value is explored in the discussion of Tesla's potential growth, which is sure to captivate viewers. In addition, the report teases other intriguing strategies that Morgan Stanley has identified for Tesla to generate significant revenue. This will pique viewers' interest in finding out more about Tesla's possible revenue streams. The story also starts to focus more on Tesla's developing business plan, which goes beyond simply producing automobiles. The selling of charging infrastructure is part of this strategic move. Batteries for power electronics and, naturally, the immensely lucrative, fully autonomous and self-driving technologies. According to the paper, investors might be undervaluing Tesla's wider goals and possibilities. Now that we've covered the need for infrastructure for charging, let's compare it to the effectiveness of supercharging stations in various locations. This broadens the discussion and emphasizes how crucial Tesla's charging network is right now. Think about Tesla's future. It's possible that, in the ensuing 10 years, the company may change drastically. It is portrayed as a game-changing possibility that Tesla will improve its processes, cut costs, and advance autonomous driving technology more quickly than its rivals. Three crucial factors are highlighted by Adam Jonas for Tesla's valuation recovery. The necessity of meeting Wall Street consensus estimates is emphasized. Effectively introduce new automobiles, such as the Cybertruck, and adapt its economic strategy to include software licensing and autonomous taxis. Because it offers prospects for growth and income, the introduction of new cars is a key factor in Tesla's valuation recovery. Customers and investors are particularly interested in the much-awaited electric pickup truck known as the Cybertruck. In addition to increasing sales and market share for Tesla in the car sector, the Cybertruck's successful introduction would enhance the company's reputation as a cutting-edge and disruptive force in the market. The introduction of new cars can thrill the market and draw in new clients, favorably affecting Tesla's valuation and financial results. The strategic change that Tesla is making towards software licensing services and robot taxis might have a significant effect on the company's valuation. Now, over time, regular income streams from software licensing and services can improve Tesla's financial stability and valuation. By monetizing their autonomous driving services and FSD capabilities, FSD technology and autonomous robot taxis have the potential to transform the transportation sector and open up new revenue streams. Tesla is able to access markets. This change is consistent with the larger trend of electric vehicle manufacturers moving from being primarily hardware-focused to becoming integrated mobility service providers, which can result in higher valuations due to diversified revenue sources meeting Wall Street consensus estimates. Beyond the increase in vehicle sales, this trend also increases the market potential overall. An essential part of Tesla's plan to accelerate valuation recovery is the company's successful introduction of new cars like the Cybertruck and its evolution of its business model to include software licensing services and autonomous taxis. These areas show that Tesla can meet financial targets and also set up the company for long-term growth and revenue diversification, which can boost analysts' and investors' assessments of the company's long-term valuation. Every one of these cements, although Tesla is a contemporary marvel and a relative newcomer to the very competitive automotive sector. What if you could figure out how to discover the next? When Tesla joins Seeking Alpha, their stock screener, a unique and effective tool, might be able to assist you in identifying the best stocks with the potential for rapid long-term growth. As we examine Tesla's most recent innovations, picture the opportunity to find the next Tesla before its price soars. Keep in mind that Seeking Alpha can be your first port of call for the next great opportunity in investing. For the biggest and greatest deal, click the link in the description. Ever a unique Black Friday price in a recent analysis published by Adam Jonas of Morgan Stanley after a large sell-off. It has been stated that Tesla's stock is ready for a comeback. But before this recovery can happen, the automaker must show that it can enter high-margin industries. Beyond making cars, it's important to note that Tesla's stock price has dropped to barely 5 times the 2012 earnings forecast, with the company's shares currently selling at about $223. Its previous performance, when it frequently demanded projected price-to-earnings P ratios above 100, is strikingly different from this. Increasing sentiment or enhancing short-term performance inside the core car business alone won't be enough to propel the stocks, according to Jonas. Revival, in order to accomplish long-term healing, Tesla needs to shift its business model to one that is more consistent and recurrent, software and services. This change is significant, since it improves the company's financial viability and complies with changing consumer expectations. Morgan Stanley believes that pressure will likely persist on Tesla as it moves away from its earlier, expensive car focus. Tesla's capacity to shift toward more capital-light revenue streams, particularly in the areas of software services and licensing, will determine how strong its future can be. 2 crucial tactics are required in order to achieve this transformation. expanding the user base quickly and exploring new markets aside from standard car point-of-sale transactions. Several analysts point out that Tesla's Q3 results were a major blow to its optimistic outlook, underperforming on a number of performance indicators to turn the tide once more. Tesla needs to change its emphasis significantly, due to its historical heavy reliance on one-time car sales. The company has a high capital intensity, but based on observations from Adam Jonas, Tesla might be able to generate recurrent high-margin income similar to a marketplace for its products modeled after the App Store. By the early 2030s, Morgan Stanley predicts that the number of monthly active Tesla users would have increased tenfold, from about 5 million at present to about 50 million. The company also emphasizes the enormous potential of Tesla's $500 billion Dojo supercomputer. Morgan Stanley has already highlighted the revenue possibilities associated with Tesla's supercomputer, which has caused stock prices to rise. This is not the first time this has happened. Stanley anticipates that Dojo, the purpose of Tesla AI network, is to train self-driving video. Data using vehicles may increase Tesla's market share. It will facilitate quicker and more affordable neuron training, an essential step in creating AI systems, and expand beyond car sales into the enormously profitable software service sector. Dojo leverages billions of item names, depth velocity data, and road scenarios from Tesla's extensive real-world dataset. Dojo is a software platform as well as a hardware project. It puts Tesla in a position to sell its supercomputer and AI capabilities to other businesses and sectors, making comparisons to Amazon's web services, which are a significant source of growth and income for the company. According to Morgan Stanley, Dojo has the potential to bring in up to $15 billion in revenue annually for Tesla by 2003. And its long-term potential is significantly higher. Dojo's ambitious endeavor is in line with Tesla's objective of continuously hitting its financial goals. Other tactics include adding more models to Tesla's inventory than the SLNX3 and Y. The importance of a vehicle launch such as the Cybertruck on market sentiment should not be undervalued, especially with the Cybertruck and Model 2 soon to be released and robo-taxis on the horizon. For Tesla to succeed in the future, Jonas thinks diversification is essential. Over the course of the next 6 to 12 months, his company will not only be primarily an automaker, but will also be actively monitoring any indications of the business model changing. This includes capital projects like software and licensing that have applications outside of the auto industry. Most importantly, this change is thought to be essential for Tesla to raise the value of its stock. According to Jonas, investors will want verifiable proof that Tesla is connected to the AI theme, and the stock's upward trajectory will rely on Tesla meeting one or more of these game-changing benchmarks. Hey, this is where we would have to end it. So today is the start of something exciting. We have looked at the possibilities that this massive manufacturer of electric vehicles has going forward. From the transformative power of Tesla's Dojo supercomputer to Morgan Stanley's positive projections about the company's future development, it's time for us to hear from you, dear viewers. Do you think that Tesla's future is looking brightly, like Morgan Stanley does? Do you find the idea that Tesla's Dojo supercomputer completely transform the industry intriguing? We would adore hearing from you. Post your ideas in the comments section below. Please remember to like this video if you have enjoyed this in-depth look into Tesla's potential. For more fascinating updates on Tesla and the most recent advancements in the electric vehicle sector, subscribe to Tesla Stock News. We appreciate you being here today, and we hope to see you in the upcoming video.